वो शेव करना है यार, वो शेव करना है।
ये she says कि she never gets to see
output.
so she was so happy
पर इसको
कि
देख के तू गलतफहमी में मत होना कि बहुत प्यार है। वो गलतफहमी नहीं होनी। वो गलतफहमी अगर कर रही है तो गलत।
शादी के दिन भी मैं फोन में घुसा था।
मम्मी मैं नहीं हंसूंगा, मैं चाची के बोलने पे मैं हंसूंगा।
वो मेहंदी वाला सीन कैप्चर करना चाहिए था जो नीचे हुआ था भैया का। हाँ
लगाया बाल में।
नहीं, और चाची ने बोल दिया नहीं लगाना क्योंकि फेरे नहीं ले रहा है तो मेहंदी नहीं लगेगी, जब फेरे लेगा तब मेहंदी लगेगी।
लड़कों थोड़ी मेहंदी लगाते हैं।
हमारे जमाने में तो 12 साल की उम्र में शादी हो जाती थी।
अरे 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 अरे
बस।
अरे हॉटनेस।
मेरे शो
This is like a proper before and
After
10 years ago. I knew him as a friend's friend and we just happened to start talking. We went for something called the invitation process for Umang together.
Two people go together. It's usually a boy and a girl. They go together, so it's like a very big thing. Like you get to choose a girl or whatever. You put in a request that can I go with this one? Everybody does that way. And I didn't know anybody. It was like just my first week after I got into Umang and everything, and I was the only one who was taller than her.
It was fine, and I think within a month of us actually knowing each other and talking to each other, he said that he liked me, and I was like, okay, I don't know what to do about this.
And I told her, and I think
That time I said no because I was like, nahi, we're in 12th and we should be studying and everything. He's like, let's give this a go. I gave this relationship 3 months. He gave the relationship 6 months.
so, but it went on, and that's where we are.
10 years on, we're getting married. We've had ups and downs with this wedding, and I could not be happier today.
ना जिया जाए घूमते घूमते हाय रे ना जिया जाए घूमते घूमते फिरू में ना जिया जाए रीति रिवाज पूरा ही हाल है पेग लगाऊं भूल जाऊं ये सब दम झम किसके है काम क्यों घूमते घूमते फिरू में ना जिया जाए
I had a very first weird impression of her. This was in 11. तो मतलब जब when you were in 11, so she was sitting with somebody, and after college got over, and she was sitting with somebody, and she started shouting, dancing, whatever, and I'm like, and I was just sitting there. बाजू में I'm like, यार ये कौन है ये shouting so much in front of everybody. Shouting मतलब she was just like time pass कर रही थी, but like like who's such a loud person, and like why she's so loud. And like dancing around and moving around everywhere, like I don't know nobody's there. I'm like weird because I am not that kind of a guy. So my first impression was like, who's this weird loud girl?
अरे यार
Smile, go.
that you don't need everybody to love you. Some people to love you with everything that they've got. And the fact that through all of this, we finally managed to have some sort of a wedding with the people that matter the most to us, close by with us, means a lot to us. That we're finally one. Come on, guys!
थोड़ा शर्म कर आंटी इधर ही है काट प्रेम
Very impulsive. I usually probably just say whatever's on top of my mind. But Pari manages to calm me. He grounds me. The past couple of days, I've gone through a whole load of emotions, but he's just kind of kept calm. He has helped me through everything, and that's what he does. He just makes sure. So the wedding obviously is about two people and it's about the entire family as well, but I just feel that we kind of made sure that we didn't lose each other in this entire thing. And today morning when we left, like I texted him, I was like, dude, we're finally getting married, and he was like, फटी पड़ी है. And I was like, yeah, अभी कर रहे हैं, कर ली, गलती तो कर ली.
Thanks for being there with me since 2011, and know that I love you always, however way you are, and I really meant it when I said that you complete me and you're my better.
We've spent a decade together. We've gone through ups and downs and long distance and everything, but Paritosh is literally the one thing that can always bring a smile to my face. And I cannot wait to spend the rest of our life together. After 10 years of being together, you know that the one person that is meant for you and you're getting to spend your life with them, it's a beautiful feeling. It genuinely is. And I really hope we have a great life together.